This combine is one of the pieces from the Cowison Brothers Farm Dispersal, Souris, Manitoba. 0 hours and put through Mazer Group shop, ready to go. This unit had the air conditioning redone on it just the day before they brought it into the yard here as well. This combine, the CX8090 and also the CX8080, both from the Cowison Brothers Farm Dispersal. Again, this beautiful CX8090 combine comes from Cowison Brothers Farm Dispersal, farm to Souris, Manitoba. 0 hours since through the Mazer shop, ready to go to the field. They did the air conditioning on this one just the day before they brought it in. Jumped in it to bring it here and weren't happy with how it was cooling, so took it in and had the air conditioning redone, so it's all ready to go for you. Again, the CX8090 from the Cowison Brothers Farm Dispersal, Souris, Manitoba.